Myself Tanvi Gupta, and I shall introduce myself. I have completed BTech in 2019, and from last 2 years I am working as a business analyst. Currently, I am working as a marketing and sales teams in GKMT IT, and I find very good growth over there. So I am very comfortable and very good environment for there to me. And my career point of view is like to start something new, to go with something new, so that we can help to the people of India and take India at one more upper level.
Oh, great. Yes,
Yeah.
Tanvi. Very nice.
Thank
So,
you.
what is your motivation to choose this digital marketing as a career?
As we know, digital marketing is a boom in India since when Instagram and Facebook are leading company in social media. So it's a very in every field, everywhere we can use digital marketing, and every person from a small kid to big old person, they are using Instagram and Facebook. So many of the people, 90% of the people used to be there on the Instagram and on Facebook. So that is a very good portal for their brand awareness, for their brand identity, and anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, in this short span, okay, what are the challenges you faced and how you overcome them?
Challenges are like competition is very good, and nowadays digital marketing is very in a good boom. So everyone is doing digital marketing through various ways. So there are many ways for the to generating lead, to getting clients, to getting good and quality clients. So that is a very challenging part.
So, how do you overcome it? How you convert this into opportunities?
There are many ways, like through Upwork, through freelancer, we can get some clients, and through lead generation, we can like LinkedIn lead generation, and many more processes are there to get more good clients.
Okay, great,
Yeah.
great. Yeah. To get success in this, what qualities are needed?
Firstly, your communication skills very need to be very good, and you should know how to talk to other people and how to represent yourself. And you should have knowledge about your work also, that is most important. Like if someone asks you, someone says you something, then you should know about it. So these are the most basic things.
Okay, super. Can you tell any, in this last 2 years, any success story you have?
As such, I don't remember any success story in my mind currently, but there are many success story. Many people are getting day by day success. There is success. We don't get success in a day, in a month. From the beginning, from the very starting, from a kid to from younger age, we get success. We used to work hard. We used to uh, get more and more knowledge. We used to work very, very hard for it, and we used to work very smartly too. Work smartly is more important than work hard.
Mhm. Very nice. So, what are your, goals or what are your desires you want to fulfill in the next few years?
My goal is to make GKMT at the global level. Second, to make my brand and take that too at a global level. And we can cover all over the firstly at the Jaipur, then Rajasthan, then India, then at the world level.